Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. It's a busy day.
Oh, what do you do today?
First, I go to work. I start at 8 a.m.
Me too. I work in the morning. Then, I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Yes, lunch is important. After work, I go home. I like to cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Today, I want to cook pasta. It's easy and tasty.
Nice. After dinner, I usually watch TV or read a book.
Me too. Sometimes I listen to music. Then, I go to bed around 10 p.m.
That sounds like a good day.
Yes, it is a normal day for me. What about your evening?
After my book, I sleep. I like to sleep early.
Haha, me too sometimes. Well, it was nice talking, Tom.
You too, Sarah. See you later.